Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tintin, and I share tips, real-life experiences, and insider advice about working on a cruise ship. So today's video is very important, especially for those of you who are just starting out and looking for the right agency to apply here in the Philippines. Let's be real, ang daming scam ngayon. So if you want to avoid being fooled and you're serious about working on board, this video is for you. Stay with me hanggang dulo kasi I'll also share the position na usually hinahanap ng mga cruise lines and tips kung paano ma-approve yung applications mo. Okay, let's start with the basics. Do you really need an agency to work on a cruise ship? The answer is yes, especially if you're applying from the Philippines. Most legit cruise lines partner with manning agency to handle hiring, processing of documents, and deployment. Hindi ka basta-basta pwedeng direct hire kung nasa Pinas ka, kasi kailangan din natin sundin ang rules ng POEA or now called DMW, which is Department of Migrant Workers. So yes, dapat dumaan tayo sa accredited agency. Cruise ship agencies. Unahin natin ang cruise ship agencies. Ito yung para sa mga may experience sa hotel, restaurant, kitchen, housekeeping, spa, front desk at customer service. Ito ang mga legit accredited agencies na pwede mong applyan. Since ako mismo ay galing sa Royal Caribbean International, gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang complete information kung paano mag-apply sa RCCL. At syempre, babanggitin ko rin yung ibang legit na agencies na pwede nyong applyan kung gusto nyo rin ng ibang cruise line or cargo ship. Royal Caribbean Recruitment and Training Center. This is their official training and processing center for successful applicants. Dito ginaganap ang interviews, training, document processing, at medical coordination. Available position usually hired for hospitality and marine crew, for food and beverage department, assistant waiter, waitress, restaurant attendant, bartender, bar utility. For housekeeping department, cabin steward, room attendant, public area attendant, and laundry attendant. While galley, which is in kitchen, assistant cook, commis, butcher, galley steward, pastry, or bakery. Guest services, front office, guest services officer, shore excursion staff, cruise staff, concierge, technical marine position, deck cadet, AB, motorman, oiler, and officers. How to apply online? First, go to myrclhome.com, create an account in Citrac, fill out your profile, and upload your resume, valid passport, seaman's book, training certificates, and wait for interview or assessment invitation. Next is Magsaysay Maritime Corporation. Positions available are waiters, housekeeping, galley stewards, bar staff, cooks, deck and engine crew. Isa sa pinakamalaki at pinakakilalang agency sa Pilipinas. Walang placement fee. Next is United Philippine Lines or UPL. Cruise lines available are Holland America Line at Seabourn. Usually, naghahanap sila ng F&B crew, front office, luxury service staff. Kung may fine dining experience ka, pasok ka dito. Next is Philippine Transmarine Carriers or PTC. May mga cruise at cargo clients sila. Offers cadet program, F&B, culinary, housekeeping, and marine roles. Next is Anglo-Eastern Crew Management. More focus on marine officers, cadets, and deck and engine position. Pero minsan may hotel crew openings din sila for cruise clients. Reminder lang, lahat ng nabanggit ko ay DMW accredited na dating POEA. Walang placement fee. Bayad mo lang ay para sa medical, training, documents, at uniform. Ngayon naman, para sa magusto magtrabaho sa cargo ship, bulk carriers, tankers, or container vessels, ito ang mga top agencies na pwede mong applyan dito sa Pilipinas. Usually, ang mga position dito ay deck engine and technical departments, pero may mga hiring din minsan for utility or support crew. Anglo-Eastern Crew Management. They're specialized sa mga bulk, container, at tanker vessels. Positions are cadets, officers, motormen, and engineers. May scholarship and cadetship program pa sila minsan. Magsaysay Maritime Corporation. Again, may cargo and container ship contract sila with Maersk, MOL, and more. Pwedeng-pwede ka rin dito kahit hindi cruise. May wide range sila ng shipping types. NYK Philippine Ship Management. Partner of Japan, NYK Line. Kilala sila sa mataasang standard at training, mostly for marine crew and officers. And last, V-Ships Manila, one of the world biggest ship management companies. Meron din silang offshore jobs and hiring for engine and deck officers. Reminder lang ulit, kung cargo ship ang target mo, siguraduhin mong updated ang documents mo, lalo na ang STCW, Marina COP, medical, and experience certificates. Tips para ma-hired. Okay, now let's talk about how to apply the right way. Whether cruise or cargo, ito yung mga tips na very important. First, apply only through official channels. Huwag magtiwala agad sa Facebook post na easy job, no experience. Check nyo muna kung DMW accredited yung agency. Next, ayusin ang resume. Kung cruise ship ang target mo, dapat naka-highlight ang hotel or restaurant experience mo. Kung marine crew naman, dapat nakaayos ang sea service record mo. Next, mag-practice mag-English, lalo na kung front-facing position. Kahit basic lang, basta confident ka makipag-usap. Next, be prepared sa interview. First impression is important. Dress properly, be honest, and show that you're willing to learn. And last, alamin ang process. Minsan matagal ang waiting time, pero basta legit ang agency, tiwala lang, maghintay ka ng maayos and keep applying. For me, personally, I started in cruise ship life on the Royal Caribbean and it changed my life. I got to work with people from all over the world, earn in US dollar, and grow my confidence and skills. If cargo ang path mo, I salute you. It's harder, more technical life, but high paying and very respectable. Whichever path you choose, cruise or cargo, just know that there are opportunities out there and you deserve to work in a company that values you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it to someone who's applying and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about working at sea, cruise tips, job application, and life on board. Again, this is Tintin signing off. Stay safe and good luck, future seafarers.